Welcome back to my channel.
Dialogue 1. I don't have long-distance service with my home phone.
So how do you make long-distance calls?
I use a calling card.
Where do you get that?
I buy it at the dollar store.
How much is it?
It's $1 for 100 minutes.
That's only a penny a minute.
It's a great price. But you have to dial a lot of numbers.
How many?
First you dial 7 numbers, then 10 numbers, then 10 more numbers.
Yikes. I think I'll keep my long-distance service.
Dialogue 2. Do you go to college?
Yes, I do.
What college do you go to?
I go to Pasadena City College.
Do you like it?
Oh, yes, I really like it.
Why do you like it?
Because it has great teachers.
What else?
I like all my classmates, too.
Anything else?
Yes. It's not expensive.
Dialogue 3. I lost my new pen.
Where did you lose it?
I don't know.
When did you lose it?
I think I lost it today. I used it yesterday.
Did you check all your pockets?
I checked all my pockets.
Did you look in your desk?
Yes. It isn't there either.
It's probably around somewhere.
Oh, well, it only cost me $1.
Only $1? Don't even look for it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
Dialogue 4. Gravity is very important.
What is gravity?
It's the force that pulls everything down.
I don't understand.
If you pour water into a glass, the water goes down into the glass.
Of course it does.
Without gravity, the water would go up.
You're joking.
Without gravity, you would go up.
What do you mean?
You would float into the sky like a balloon.
That would be fun.
Dialogue 5. What do you need for school?
I need pencils.
Anything else?
I need a notebook.
Do you need a pen?
No. I already have a pen.
Do you need a calculator?
No. The teacher doesn't permit calculators.
How about a dictionary?
No, we have a big dictionary in the classroom.
Well, I guess that's it.
Yes, that's all I need for now.
Dialogue 6. I like this magazine.
So do I.
I read it once, and I subscribed.
It gives you all the news.
All the news in only 50 pages.
I like the political cartoons.
I like the beautiful photos of the houses for sale.
I always read the film reviews.
I never miss the food and drink section.
I gave a subscription to my parents.
Me too. They canceled their other news magazines.
So did mine.
Dialogue 7. My pen is out of ink.
Shake it a couple of times.
I shook it. There is no more ink.
You can borrow mine.
Thank you. I'll buy a new one tomorrow.
What were you doing?
I was writing a letter.
Who were you writing to?
It's to my mom.
Tell her I said hello.
Okay. I'll return your pen when I'm done.
Take your time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
Dialogue 8. Have you done your homework?
Not yet.
Then why are you watching TV?
This is my favorite show.
Go do your homework.
But, Mom,
You can watch TV after you do your homework.
but the show will be over.
There will be another show next week.
Please?
You know the rules.
I hate the rules. I can't wait till I grow up.
Dialogue 9. I can't wait until I graduate.
Me too.
No more homework.
I hate homework.
Are you going to college?
I can't afford it.
Me neither.
So what are you going to do?
I'm joining the army.
You're kidding. You might get killed.
I don't think so. After I finish, I'll have enough money to go to college.
That's not a bad idea.
Dialogue 10. What is your major?
English.
What are you going to do with an English major?
I'm going to be a teacher.
High school or middle school?
High school.
I teach high school English.
I didn't know that.
I started teaching 5 years ago.
How do you like it?
Do you see all this gray hair? It was totally black 5 years ago.
Maybe I'll teach middle school. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
Dialogue 11. Parking at school is impossible.
I'll say.
I drove around for half an hour.
Did you find a spot?
I found a spot, but someone cut in and took it from me.
Did you yell at them?
Yes, I did.
And?
And he yelled back at me.
How rude.
But I got lucky a few minutes later.
You have to be lucky to find a parking space.
Dialogue 12. How good is your math?
I can add 2 and 2.
So you're not very good at math?
I'm terrible at math.
Well, I need some help.
With what?
I'm taking a math course in school.
Well, you should ask your teacher or your classmates for help.
I can't do that.
Why not?
They might think I'm stupid.
They're not going to think that. They'll be glad to help you.